Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best 8-Fig review. I'm going to share my first-person experience using 8-Fig and explain why it's a game changer for serious e-commerce sellers, focusing on how it helps you grow without the usual financing headaches. What is 8-Fig? Simply put, 8-Fig is a platform that provides continuous, equity-free funding specifically for e-commerce businesses. Unlike a traditional bank loan where you get a lump sum and a fixed repayment schedule, 8-Fig's model is deeply integrated with your supply chain and cash flow. When I first started looking for funding to scale my Amazon business, I hated the rigid structure of other options. They wanted a slice of my company, or they offered one-time loans that didn't account for the rhythm of an e-commerce business, the lulls, the peaks, the unexpected shipping delays. How my growth plan worked. My experience began with their platform, which felt more like a CFO dashboard than a loan application. I connected my store and bank accounts. Their AI didn't just look at my past revenue. It analyzed my future sales projections and, critically, my supply chain needs. They created a growth plan that mapped out my entire inventory cycle, from paying the supplier, to covering freight, to marketing, all the way to the product landing in the customer's hands. Instead of one big check, the capital was released to me in tranches, small, scheduled payments that arrive exactly when I needed them for a specific step, like paying my manufacturer deposit or the final freight bill. This continuous funding model is what truly sets them apart. It meant I never had cash sitting around idle, and more importantly, I never had to worry about running out of cash when a big inventory order was due. It optimized my cash flow like nothing else. Flexibility and cost. The flexibility was my favorite feature. In e-commerce, things always change. A container might be delayed, or sales might spike unexpectedly. With 8-Fig, I could log in and submit a change request. It felt like adjusting my own business plan in real time. If sales were slow, I could adjust my remittance schedule. If they were great, I could accelerate my payments. This level of control is non-existent with traditional lenders. The cost is a fixed cost of capital, not a variable interest rate. For every $100,000 I was funded, I knew the exact flat fee I'd pay back. It was transparent, straightforward, and didn't include any of the personal guarantees or credit checks that tie you up with other financing. I can confidently say that leveraging 8-Fig allowed me to scale my business much faster and with significantly less stress than any other option I explored. Their system is built for the unique, dynamic needs of a growing online seller. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.